Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and crunchy chicken flautas. First, you'll preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll heat a pot of water on high, bringing it to a boil. Boil 1 to 2 pounds of raw chicken, breast or thigh works for this, and boil for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is boiling, you're going to prep the tortillas. So I'm not gonna lie, the tortillas I got were ravaged and super ratchet. They were broken and cracked. Definitely make sure that you're not buying any ratchet tortillas and check their quality before you leave the store. Now you're gonna heat a frying pan over mid-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, you're gonna toss a tortilla or however many you can fit and warm them up. You'll do anywhere from about 8 to 12 or more tortillas. Once your chicken is done, you're gonna take 2 forks and shred the chicken. If you have a standing mixer, you can actually just throw your warm chicken in there, and then with a flat beater or a pastry beater accessory, you can turn it on in a couple minutes. You should have fully shredded chicken. But we broke out here, so for me, 2 forks it is. Once my chicken is all shredded, I like to cut any long pieces just so it's easier to eat once it's inside the taquito. I want to make a note that this next step where I make a sour cream salsa mix is totally skippable. My grandma-in-law is from Mexico and she never adds anything but chicken to her taquitos, and they're always fire. So if you're in a pinch for time, if you don't have these ingredients, you can skip this step and just stuff your taquitos with chicken only, and then you can load them later on with whatever sauces or garnishes that you love. So now to make the mix. You're going to take a bowl and add 1/4 cup sour cream, or I use Greek plain yogurt as a sub. And then you're going to also add 1/4 cup of your favorite salsa, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, depending on how spicy you like it. And oh my gosh, I really did not mean to do that. Okay, so it was supposed to be about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just so you know, it tasted good even with all of that garlic. You're gonna want to grate 1 cup of your favorite cheese. I use Monterey Jack, and mix it up to combined. And then you're gonna create a spread like this with your tortillas, your shredded chicken, and if you made the sour cream salsa mix. So first you'll take a tortilla and add a layer of shredded chicken, and then you'll add a layer of that salsa if you made it. And then you're gonna scooch everything to one end of the tortilla and roll it up into a taquito, and you'll place it into a baking dish. You'll continue to do this step over and over until all your tortillas are used. Again, if you didn't make enough tortillas, no worries, you can just prep a few more. And voila, my baking dish is full of my ratchet tortilla taquitos. Now this is a key step. You're gonna take cooking oil spray and cover your uncooked taquitos with it. Now you're gonna bake your taquitos for 20 to 25 minutes, depending how crunchy you want it. And once they're done baking, you want to plate them and serve them warm. You can top the taquitos with your favorite sauces like enchilada sauce or mole, or you can just garnish them with sour cream, avocado, cilantro, tomato. But I hope you love this easy and quick chicken flautas recipe. If you want to learn how to easily make other foods from around the world, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.